How you doing, guys? I just show you. I didn't record this one too much, but I show you. I always do something. This is a Chevy Spark, 1.2 liter engine, and you need to watch it. This is dirty. Wait. Press done. See, another problem with the timing. So I will do it. Peace. I just want to show you guys something interesting thing. How his problems have. This is a air filter here. This hose with a intake hose, it came over there in this cover. And I just so imagine, this one was a couple of missing bolts, something, You just lift it up. I never understand, just pick it up, one bolt, and this one come over here. Then this is a plastic sheet. And look at that. Look at that. Just a little freaking O-ring here connected it here. So you make a mistake when you put it in the engine, you have an intake leak. So I think this is one of the serious problem. But this is a 1.2 liter Chevy Spark. Actually, the car is like a lawnmower, and this one don't have too many miles, but it's still shitty. Still not good. And just show you this camera, it's better the view. Well, I see over there the dirt. So oil change, probably the timing is. Oh, I have a 17 code. So again, timing, and check what's going on. So here is just take it at the camshaft sensor. See, same thing. The camshaft sensor and the steel on it. Alright, grinded steel. My goodness. So I just take off the intake. What's here? That's such a bullshit. Take off the valve cover. The further inspect. The chain. It's not much. Have actually tight, but it doesn't matter. We want to take off the timing cover. Check the timing, how it look like. But I just inspect. And this one's need a better light. Inspect this one's. Look okay. That one have a scratch mark there. I don't know, some bullshit. You can see here nothing. And this. And skids. Oh, again. See that? That is garbage. Cylinder number 4. So exhaust camshaft, garbage over there. Probably we have some problems. Oh yeah. Okay. Fucking little engine.